Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add auto velocity to your videos in CapCut PC. I'm just going to split the video in a few bits here. So there's only velocity in some places. I don't know, I'm just doing this randomly, but I'm just going to select the videos here, go to AI Stylize, and then go to Style, press OK, and then go to Video Effects, and then add in Auto Velocity to the ones that you want to add Auto Velocity to. And that's pretty much it, really. It's that simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.